x to the 8 minus 1 equal to 0. We want to find x. So first, let me tell you two things. First thing is a to the mn equal to a to the m to the n. The other thing is a squared minus b squared equal to a minus b times a plus. Okay, so first we write x to the x 8 as x to the 4 squared minus 1 equal to 0. Then you can say 1 is also 1 squared, so it will be x to the 4 plus 1 times x to the 4 minus 1 equal to 0. X to the 4 minus 1, we can write it x squared minus 1 squared. This part equal to this part. Okay, so we can use again this identity. It will be x to the 4 plus 1 times x squared plus 1 times x squared minus. Again, if you apply 1 instead of 1, you can say 1 squared. If you apply again this identity, it is 0. It will be x to the 4 plus 1 times x squared plus 1 times x plus 1 times x minus 1 equal to 0. Okay, now we have 4 terms. Each of them can be 0. If this one be 0, then x equal to 1. First answer. If this one is 0, x equal to negative 1. If this one is 0, let's analyze it. X squared plus 1 is 0. X squared is negative 1. So x is plus minus square root of negative 1. In complex numbers, we define I equal to root negative 1, so it will be plus minus I. So two other answers, we check. If this one is 0, x to the 4 plus 1 is 0. X to the 4 equal to negative 1. So x squared equal to plus minus root negative 1, which is plus minus I. And then x equal to plus minus square root of plus minus I. So four answers also here. Four answers, two answers, two answers. It will be 8 answers. We found 8 answers for this problem. We can also work on plus square root of plus I is what, square root of minus I is what. If you want to know, for example, square root of I, you say it is, for example, a plus bi. Then if you raise to the power of 2, I equal to a plus bi times a plus bi. It will be a squared minus b squared plus 2abi. And a squared minus b squared is 0. 2ab equal to 1. Because considering this part and this part. Imaginary part are equal. Real parts also equal. A squared equal to b squared. So absolute value of a equal absolute value of b. And because 2ab is 1, ab is 1, so we consider signs should be equal. Because 2ab is 1 and it's positive. So you conclude 2a squared is 1. So a is 1 over root 2. Or minus 1 over root 2. Also b will be 1 over root 2. Should consider minus and plus of them. Because if you consider polar form, you will reach this. So you can say instead of square root of I, you can say it's 1 over root 2 plus I over root 2. Okay, if you had questions, send message to my WhatsApp number, and please don't forget to subscribe, turn on the bell, and like the video. Thanks. Bye.